To conclude this topic, I'd like to tell you a little more about CAD files. As I told you earlier, these types of files, whether DWG, DXF or DGN, can be read but not edited. This is, the information contained in them can be viewed and analyzed, but not changed. This is the case of a file from the UTED campus in DGN format, the content of which I want to show you. CAD files can be loaded in two ways. The first mode consists of loading the file as a whole. By default, this mode will load a group of 5 layers: annotations, points, polylines, polygons, and multipatches. Alternatively, you can select each layer individually, for example, points, polygons, and lines. In any case, the data is visualized by a combination of unique values for the level at which it is drawn in the CAD file. In this case, layer, color, and line type. This symbology makes it easier to understand the content of the CAD files, and possibly speeds up the search for specific data among their overall content. Regardless of how you upload these files, if you try to edit their content, you will receive a warning message that the data cannot be edited. Therefore, if it is essential to edit the CAD data, then it must be exported to one of the formats editable by ArcGIS, be it a shapefile, a mobile geodatabase, or a file geodatabase. This export can be done in several ways. One of these ways is to use the tools in the toolbox, located in the Conversion Tools box, under to Geodatabase, using one of the various tools available, such as CAD to Geodatabase, Export Features, or Feature Class to Geodatabase. If you choose to export to shapefiles, you can use the Feature Class to Shapefile tool in the To Shapefile box. Another alternative way is to import into the geodatabase from Arc Catalog, selecting each of the layers in the CAD file to be imported. In this case, if the content to be exported is stored outside of datasets, the export is done without special care. If, on the other hand, you want to store the data to be exported within a dataset, then you must first create the dataset. And ensure that it has the same coordinate system as the CAD file. This aspect will be addressed practically later on, both in this curricular unit and in the 3D analysis and visualization curricular unit, which is why we won't go into it in depth for now. I can only suggest that you practice creating shape files, mobile geodatabases, and file geodatabases on your own. That's all for now. See you soon.